An adalah awalan yang berarti tidak. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you doing? I hope you're just fine and you are great. And I hope my video made you in a great time. Now we discuss about an as a prefix or prefix an. An is a prefix meaning not. It is used to give opposite and negative meaning when it's adding before adjective, noun, or adverb. An is a prefix. An adalah awalan yang berarti tidak. An digunakan untuk lawan kata atau kebalikan kata yang bermakna negatif. An ditempatkan sebelum kata sifat, kata keterangan, dan kata benda. Let's get to the examples now. Unable. Unable meaning not to able to do something. For example, he is unable to do the test. He is unable to do the test. Artinya dia tidak sanggup untuk mengerjakan tes. Contoh berikutnya, unaware. Unaware from root word is aware and prefixed by un become unaware, meaning do not know something. Unaware berasal dari kata aware dan ditambah dengan kata not bika menjadi unaware yang berarti tidak tahu sesuatu atau tidak menyadari sesuatu. For example, I was unaware that the plan had changed. I was unaware that the plan had changed. Artinya adalah saya tidak menyadari bahwa ternyata rencananya berubah. Berikutnya contoh, unbeaten. Unbeaten from the root words beat or beaten and prefixed by un become unbeaten. Unbeaten meaning do not have lost any games. For example, my team went to the whole football season unbeaten. Unbeaten berasal dari kata beaten dan ditambah dengan awalan un become unbeaten menjadi unbeaten. Artinya adalah tak terkalahkan. Contohnya, my team went to the football season unbeaten. The next example is uncommon. Root word is common and adding by prefix un become uncommon, meaning unusual or rare. It is uncommon for me to drive in the left side. It is uncommon for me to drive in the left side. Yang berasal dari kata common ditambah un menjadi uncommon. Uncommon yang berarti tidak biasa atau jarang. The next is unemployment. Unemployment, the root word is employment and prefixed by un become unemployment, meaning the number of people that do not have jobs. Unemployment berasal dari kata employment diawali dengan un atau ditambahkan di sebelumnya adalah un, jadi unemployment yang berarti sekelompok orang yang tidak mempunyai pekerjaan. For example, the government reported that there is a decrease of unemployment rate. The government reported that there is a decrease of an unemployment rate. Pemerintah melaporkan bahwa ada sedikit pengurangan dari rata-rata orang yang tidak bekerja. Unfair. Unfair, the root word is fair and has prefixed by un become unfair, meaning not fair or not equal or not right. For example, it is unfair to ask James to work late again. It is unfair to ask James to work late again. Unfair berasal dari kata fair diawali dengan un menjadi unfair dan berarti tidak adil, ya, artinya tidak adil atau tidak equal atau tidak sama. Contohnya, it is unfair to ask James to work late again. Ini tidak adil untuk meminta James bekerja lembur lagi. The next, unfit. The root word is fit and prefixed by un become unfit, meaning not healthy or not good enough healthy. Example, today I'm too unfit to play tennis with you. Today I'm too unfit to play tennis with you. Unfit berasal dari kata fit dan diawali dengan kata un, jadi unfit yang berarti tidak sehat atau tidak cukup sehat. Contohnya, I'm too unfit to play tennis with you. Saya tidak cukup sehat untuk bermain tenis dengan. The next, unreliable. Unreliable. The root word rely and prefixed by un become unreliable, meaning can't be trusted or depended on. Example, he is totally unreliable. I won't ask him for help. Unreliable berasal dari kata rely, diawali dengan kata un dan diakhiri dengan able, jadi unreliable yang berarti tidak bisa dipercaya atau tidak bisa menjadi gantungan. Berikutnya, undone. Undone, the root word is done and prefixed by un become undone, meaning not finished or not finished yet. He left me with undone homework. He left me with undone homework. Undone berasal dari kata done diawali dengan kata un menjadi undone yang berarti tidak selesai atau belum selesai. Yang contohnya, he left me with undone homework. Dia meninggalkanku dengan pekerjaan rumah yang tidak terselesaikan atau belum selesai. And unavailable. The root word is avail and prefixed by un become unavail and ended by able. Unavailable. The meaning is not exist. For example, if somebody looking for me, tell them that I'm available. Alright, everybody. I hope these explanations make you understand about prefix un. You can dig deeper about the prefix un by doing the test that I put in the description, and the link of the test I put in description. You can download that and you can practice in your home, and I hope you enjoy with this learning. Thank you very much for your kind attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.